Hi everyone, today we are going to demonstrate how you can transfer photos from one iPhone to your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, make sure that the AirDrop feature is enabled on both devices. In here, you can also choose the contacts only or everyone mode that it works in. Basically, if like iPhones are in contact with one another or in the list of contacts of each other, you can go with the contacts only, but I mean everyone will just simplify this process, so you will not have to check it. So on this phone I have my AirDrop set to everyone. Let me check on the other phone already. It is the same, everything is enabled, put into the correct mode that it's supposed to work in. Now just open the gallery, choose what picture you would like to transfer, select it. Like over here, you can also like send multiple pictures. It's not a problem at all. Next, at this bottom left corner, tap on the share icon, AirDrop. In the list of devices, it can contain many. Choose the particular iPhone that you would like to AirDrop those pictures to, and simply tap to it. And as you can see, the picture gets airdropped to the receiver's phone fairly easily. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.